Ready to level up your gaming setup with a burst of bold style and next-gen performance? Say hello to the Xbox Core wireless controller in deep pink, a vibrant fusion of cutting-edge tech and head-turning design. Whether you're battling on Xbox Series XS, PC, or mobile, this controller isn't just pretty, it's a powerhouse. Sculpted for comfort, its ergonomic curves and textured grips keep you locked in during marathon sessions, while the hybrid D-pad ensures pixel-perfect precision. Snap victory screenshots or clip epic wins in a tap with the sleek share button, and customize every input via the Xbox Accessories app to match your playstyle. With 40-hour battery life, seamless Bluetooth Xbox wireless pairing, and a USB-C port for quick play and charge action, it's built for versatility. Plus, the 3.5mm jack lets you plug in your headset and dive into immersive audio. Product dimensions: 2.83 by 7.01 by 6.97 inches. 7.04 ounces. Type of item: accessory. Language: English. Item weight: 7 ounces. Manufacturer: Microsoft. Batteries: 2 batteries required. Included. About this item: Xbox Deep Pink Wireless Controller. Experience the modernized design of the Xbox Wireless Controller, featuring sculpted surfaces and refined geometry for enhanced comfort during gameplay with battery life up to 40 hours. Stay on target. New hybrid D-pad and textured grip on the triggers, bumpers, and back case. Share button. Seamlessly capture and share content such as screenshots, recordings, and more with the new share button. Play across devices includes Xbox Wireless and Bluetooth technology, so you can easily pair and switch between devices, including Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S, Xbox One, Windows PC, Android, and iOS. Compatibility. Plug in any compatible headset with the 3.5mm audio headset jack. Connect using the USB-C port for direct plug and play to console or PC. Custom button mapping. Make the controller your own by customizing button mappings with the Xbox Accessories app. Product description. Experience the modernized design of the Xbox wireless controller in deep pink, featuring sculpted surfaces and refined geometry for enhanced comfort during gameplay. Stay on target with a hybrid D-pad and textured grip on the triggers, bumpers, and back case. Seamlessly capture and share content such as screenshots, recordings, and more with the share button. Connect using the USB-C port for direct plug and play to console and PC. Support for AA batteries is included on the rear. Get up to 40 hours of battery life. Plug in any compatible headset with the 3.5mm audio jack. Use the Xbox Accessories app to remap buttons and create custom controller profiles for your favorite games.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.